Here. Come on. Come on. Girl, he is walking a lot. Oh! I spoke too soon. You got it?
Roll it back, Donnie.
Okay, you don't want that.
Now roll it. Do not carry it. Like that.
Come on. Where we going, Wesley? Yo, he is walking. Long distance. Oh.
Drunk. Drunk, Wesley?
Keisha said he walked like he drunk.
You ain't drunk? Where the bottle at?
No, he walking the whole all the way around. Wesley, he coming back to his bike. He said it's too much walking right now. I got to get back on my ride. Yo, he walked all the way down around there and came back, and I got it on footage. Now he going over there.